Hey guys, it is officially summer and I am going to show you a recipe that you can use for indoor or outdoor events. We're going to be making three-way sliders. You guys ready? Let's get started. The easy thing about this recipe is the base is the same for all three. All you need is your ground beef and your breadcrumbs. The difference is the ingredients that go inside each one to give you the three different flavors, which is the rancher, the buffalo, and the MEXICALI. For all the ranch lovers out there, the rancher style is for you. This recipe has your ground beef base, sour cream, ranch dry seasoning mix, red bell pepper, some chives, some sliced bacon cooked, and 6 slices of American cheese. So for the buffalo, you're gonna need the same base, some celery salt, some green onion, and some blue cheese. Now, that blue cheese melted on top of that beef patty, the flavor from it is going to be delicious. Last but not least, if you like a little spice in your life, the MEXICALI is for you. It has fresh or frozen corn, diced green chilies, some taco seasoning, red onion, pepper jack cheese. Before we make our base, we're going to preheat the oven and spray our pans with some nonstick cooking spray. Then we're going to add breadcrumbs into our lean ground beef mixture. For each one of these recipes, your base will need 2 pounds of ground beef and a 1/3 cup of breadcrumbs. And last but not least, what's gonna hold these babies together are some sweet Hawaiian rolls. Our base is ready to go, and now we're going to add the ingredients for each one. Be sure to leave out the cheese because we're gonna put that on towards the end. So gently mix your ingredients into the beef, and then we're going to press it evenly into our pan. It's been about 25 minutes. We're gonna pull our mixture out. We're gonna drain any liquids that is in there. And that cheese that I told you to hold on to, this is where that comes in. We're going to layer our cheese evenly, and then we're going to cook it for an additional 3 to 5 minutes. Oh, this smells amazing. The only thing we need to do is cut our burger in 12 equal squares, put them on our rolls, and add our toppings. For a complete list of toppings, you can click the link below to this recipe. We are done. Look at these. We have our rancher, our buffalo, and our MEXICALI. You can serve these at a party or just make them at home on your own. You can do all three or just do one. But don't let these sliders fool you. They may be small, but they pack a delicious punch. Thank you all for joining me today in my kitchen, and I will see you next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.